cos alpha is equals to what? Sine 35. Find alpha. You should recall that cos theta is equals to what? Sine what? 90 degree minus theta. In this place now, we are going to replace our theta here with alpha. So we replace this theta that you are seeing to be what? Alpha. So we are going to rewrite this by saying cos what? Alpha is equals to what? Sine 90 degree minus alpha. So already we say cos theta is the same thing as what? Sine 90 minus theta. So what is cos alpha? Cos alpha is the same thing as what? Sine 35 degree, and it's the same thing as what? Sine 90 degree minus alpha. So what we are going to do now, we are going to say what? Sine what? 35 degree. That is, anywhere you see cos alpha, you are seeing what? Sine 35. Automatically cos alpha is what? Sine what? 35 degree. And we say when you see cos alpha, you are also seeing sine 90 minus alpha. So automatically it's the same thing as what? Sine 90 degree minus alpha. So we now have sine 35 degree is equals to sine times 90 will give us what? Sine 90 degree. Then minus sine times alpha will give us what? Sine what? Alpha. From here we collect the like terms. We can decide to move our alpha to this side. Since it's negative, will become positive. Then we now have sine 90 degree minus what? Sine 35 degree. So sine alpha now will be equals to what? Sine 90 minus sine 35 will give us what? Sine 55. So since we are looking for alpha, we divide both sides by sine. We divide both sides by sine. Sine will cancel sine. And our alpha is equals to what? 55 degree. So if you say cos 55 degree is equals to what? Sine 35 degree. Thank you. Don't forget to follow for more.